You remember all your brains? Meta thinking, creating, realizing, linking, analyzing. Today we're going to talk about the letter J and R. Now today, before you need to practice your sounds and your tricky words, remember to press the triangle here and here. So you need to read like we always did the purple and the red words. Now the family is jetting off. Yeah, they fly on holiday. Was school holidays. We're just so excited. Today we are flying holiday with Then you're going to have to read some J words for me, okay? J, E, T, and you blend them together for me. Jet. Next, we're going to have some robot word building, right? Can you choose the correct letters? And you have to build a word that matches the picture. What could this be? It's a carpet, isn't it? It's carpet. Does it sound right? Or is it a... I know what it is. It's a rock. So I need to find the letters. This is a R. No, this one? Okay, you're right. R. A? Or this one? Yay, this one. Rock. Rock. Right? And that's how you're going to do it. Well done. You have fun. Okay? Use your brains and get on with it.